I want you all to remain calm, right? When they panic, it is our job to show our leadership, remain calm and just make sure, calm the crowd down, calm them down and direct them to the holding area. Understood? Speaking of panic, we have one more duty point under us, which is the emergency exit, and that is under Sector 5. You are Sector 5. So, emergency exit is under you. This is a very, very important. Achha, that's what I thought. It's under. In Tamil Nadu, this emergency exit aspect is very important. Please don't take it lightly at any point, and be on your toes at every second, because emergency exit is if contingency planning, right? We are all about contingency planning. We are waiting for that 0.01% when something might go wrong. So if something goes wrong, understand that the whole crowd is going to be moving towards the emergency exit. So you have to be prepared for that. We will place you accordingly. But like I said, don't underestimate your individual role and do not underestimate your collective role and your teamwork tomorrow. You all have to work together no matter what happens. We are there for you. We will also be there. But anything that happens, like I said, you are in charge of the movement of the crowd from the holding area to the exit, from the exit into the holding area. So that has to be completely smooth, and I'm sure you're going to do a really good job of it. SP Shubham, if he wants to say something, I'll give him the mic. I'll give you. But what I do know is that you all are exceptional. I have been working with all of you for over a year now, and you all have it in you. And I would really like to see the Puducherry police flag flying high, so that we can also tell our friends in the rest of the country who are messaging us, oh, the responsibility is on you. We can say we did it, and we did it really, really well. Yeah? Okay. So that's all from my end. All the best. I want to see the best in all of you. And now I'll hand over the mic to the editor.